brandyarnault, fineart.com. Want to do a quick little artist hack here. Rinse out the brushes. So get as much color off of them as I can at the end of every painting session. You are going to love this hack. It extends the life of your brushes. What is that hack? So I have this used bottle of walnut oil. Okay, so what do? I pour fresh walnut oil into this used bottle of walnut oil up to this line right here, no higher. Why? I don't want it to go into the ferrule. Okay, so now I'm going to put my brushes in there. It has a narrow top. I don't have to worry about bending the brush in here. All of that is taken care of with the support that this bottle offers. However, there is a drawback in that I cannot put a whole lot of brushes in there. Let them sit in there overnight. The next day you come to them, you take your paper towel or your oil rag, whatever you work with, and you take them out one by one and you wipe them down really good. And I'm telling you, all the junk is off of them when you start again. It's an amazing hack. It does promote a longer brush life. Brandy Arnault, brandyarnaultfineart.com.